Hey, welcome to this video, and I've been wanting to take a stalk of the bamboo that I have growing outside and put it in a container because the winters here get too cold, and I feel like it's kind of keeping the bamboo from growing as quickly as it would otherwise. So I want to experiment with growing it in the container where I can bring it inside during the winter, and hopefully it will grow bigger faster. It's incense bamboo, which I think can grow up to 30 feet tall and have a 1.5 to 2 inch wide culm, like pole bamboo thing. And so, yeah, and so that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm mixing in, for the soil, I'm doing some peat because I think I read that, no, for this, look at Geppetto. For the soil, I'm mixing in peat and eggshells. I take eggshells and dry them out and then crush them up and mix them into, I don't know. I just thought it would be a good idea. And then I'll probably add some normal soil in there just to kind of fill it out. So hopefully this works out. This is the stalk that I'm gonna cut. I'm glad that's done. I've been wanting to do that for a while. One thing I forgot to mention is I dug around the bamboo and separated it from the rest of the rhizome, and I'd watered it quite frequently to hopefully make it more ready for the transplant. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please consider watching some of my other videos.